Okay, we'll be trying today Space Quarks. It's an Apple II game. Let's adjust the camera a little bit. I tried already just to check if it works or not. It's much like Galaga, more or less. But it's a bit harder, I think, because you cannot control. If you press, for example, L on the keyboard, it keeps moving to the right. If you press Y, it keeps moving to the left. And if you want it to stop, you have to press K. So it's a bit annoying, I think, to keep it moving right. As you can hear, it has sound from the speaker of the Apple II. Okay, next level. I think it's game over now. Oh, we have another chance. Oops. As you see, I'm not such a very good player. Again. So let's hear now a little music program from the Apple II Euro Plus. See, the floppy disk is loading. And music is coming from a little speaker under the keyboard. So as you see, it starts over again. So let's press escape to stop the melody. And now we can check another program. For example, So this is another game. It's called Trivia Game. Let's see what it does. Well, for the moment, nothing at all. I don't know. It's just a blank screen. Well, I think this program doesn't work at all. Let's check this disk again. No. Okay, let's check another disk. Okay, I found here I think this is a tutorial disk about BASIC and how to work with BASIC. Let's try it out. Floppy with a floppy drive. I think you can start the Apple II from the disk directly, but therefore we have to turn it out and then on again like this. And there you go. It's loading. Okay, there you go. It's ready. Okay, these are just to learn the basics of BASIC. It teaches you about how to print numbers, how to print words, how little tools to write programs, and how to save them on disk, and some information about variables. That's what's on this disk. What do we have over here? These are quite a bunch of discs, but not all of them work on this Apple II Euro Plus, because in fact many of them are originally for this other version of the Apple II, which is the Apple II C. As you see, it's very yellowed. I got this second hand, and it actually works, but it came with a monitor, but the monitor doesn't work. I have to check this out, because it actually works, but it needs some kind of reparation, some kind of repair, because when you turn it on, you see a couple of quotation marks on screen, which I don't know how they come there. So this will be shown in another video. Okay, bye from now.